Cleaning up some old frames that I just left out in the bee yard all summer long, but you can see where wax moths have tried getting a hold of them. Had a guy contact me about what I call dirt daubers. They're little predatory wasps that make dirt nests and they collect spiders for their young to eat, and wanted to know how to get all of that off his plastic foundation. And I said, it's basically exactly the same way that you clean up plastic foundation. So he asked for a video, so I'm doing a video on it. Basically, where he got started, so I'll do another frame. You're basically taking your hive tool. I'll show you this frame. Anyway, you're looking at that frame, there's all kinds of nasty wax. You're basically just going to take your hive tool, scrape it off. Can't get no simpler than this. I'll dump the wax back in here. I've got a bucket that I collect old useless black nasty wax that has had wax moths in it. Collect it, and when I start my wood heater, I'll put my paper, my kindling down, and I'll sprinkle some wax on top of it and then light the paper, and that will burn hot enough to melt the wax and get the fire started. I try not to waste anything, especially when it's something I can really reuse. Another good use for your bee brush that's not dealing with brushing bees. This can actually loosen some of that up in there. After that, wire brush. Kind of go in a circular motion. That'll help get it out of the cells. Oh, I might want to show you what it looks like first. That's what it looks like first. You got a bunch of old nasty comb from where the bees have hatched out and left their sac. What I've found, the more snaggletooth the brush, the better it works. You can see that this one's, get it between me and the red. You could see that it's a little on the snaggletooth side. This brush is probably 50 years old. I think it's my stepdad's brush. You can see a lot of that. The old cocoons have come out. Some of it hasn't. It just depends on how clean you want to get it. Me, that's good. Because when I re-wax over it, they're going to pull it out. They're just going to ignore what's down in the bottom. I'll hit this side a little bit. But it's just simple. Just in a circle. You can see all that stuff flaking out. That was good. Land on top of the wood heater. That's it. That's it in a nutshell. Simple, easy. Then all I'll do is heat up some wax, re-roll it on there. I will actually link the video in the description on the re-waxing. That's it. Just cleaning up some old nasty frames. Figured I'd do a video for, can't remember the guy's name. Oh well. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees. Like, share, subscribe.